Ames, it's Miss Moreau. I'm going to walk you through what you're doing for today's lesson, okay? I don't want you to get confused and stuck in it. So this is really going to help, okay? So first thing is just this little slideshow where you're going to walk through and practice applying the rules of some integers. They're real basic. First thing is you're going to follow the steps to add these numbers. So we look at these rules here. Are we looking at the same sign or opposite signs? Well, -3 plus -9 would be the same sign. So you could go up here and you could circle, you could draw and put on a little squiggly mark and draw, or you could circle it or whatever you want to show me, that you're choosing this side right here. You're going to follow these rules for the same sign. They're both negative, so you add the numbers and keep the same sign. Okay, 3 bad guys plus 9 more bad guys. That's just 12 bad guys, right? So you're going to write down your rules, though, without models this time. Okay, we're working toward using bigger numbers and having fluency with these addition problems so that we're not needing the models, especially when we get to the bigger numbers, okay? My glasses are reflecting. Sorry, y'all. All right, so we're going to do 4 of those, okay? You're going to show me which set of rules you're going to follow. Now, this part's a lot of fun. Okay, so you're going to have this is the given problem. And then you find the answer, whatever -8 plus 16 is. And then you figure out which of these answer choices have the same value, have the same sum. So you're basically going to have to solve all of them, though. And then you find the one that you think is right, and you're going to drag it and drop it up in the box, if that's the answer, or if that's the answer. You just drag the one that you think is the right answer up to that box for us. That's all there is to it, okay? You do need to show me, put an answer on here. Add some text boxes or put an equal sign in there. Tell me what each answer is, okay? You're going to do that for 4 problems like this, 4 different slides, okay? Then there'll be another slide for you. You're going to do this right here. You're going to, it's a sum of 0. What this means is I'm trying to get my numbers inside the circle to have a sum or a total of 0. So right here, +4 plus +2 plus -6 gives me 0. Okay, you see that? All 3 of the numbers in that circle. So then I could look around the circle and say, well, -6 plus 3 plus what is going to give me 0. All right, and then you're going to just keep working your way around the circle. All right? Now, last step gets a little bit tricky. It's a new site that you haven't learned before, okay? And I'll give you the link. It'll be listed in your Canvas here. So what you're going to do, you're like playing a card game, okay? And you're trying to create a sum in each hand that's the same. So like right here, these are my 4 numbers. I want to find the way to add them all up so that the sum is the same in each hand. Okay, so if I said okay, I could drag the 4 and 3, you drag that little blue dot to make it move, right? So 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. These are not the same because it's 7 and 3. If I submitted it, it would tell me that it's wrong. It would say try again. And you could click your numbers, move them around, okay? And you could start all over and move them, okay? The numbers get bigger, and there are more numbers. Now, here's the thing. You don't have to use every card. You do not have to use every card. But whatever you put in the red square has to be the same total as what's in the blue square. These get challenging, okay? But you guys are in honors class. I know you can handle this, okay? So you're just adding up numbers to have the same total. Might be some guess and check. Think about where your big numbers are, where your small numbers would be, okay? And then it starts adding in negative numbers. You're going to get some negative ones in here. Guys, you can handle it, and there's more than one right answer. But remember, you don't have to use every card. All right, and now it's going to ask you what your strategies were, and you get to do a few more. It's not really that many. Oh, my dog is eating an acorn. I'm sorry. It's loud. And then last one here. Arturo claims that it's possible to use all 9 cards. Brianna says the most that you could use is 8. And who's correct? Okay, that's all we have to do today. And your homework assignment will be a Google quiz. Nope. Canvas quiz, sorry. You're going to go through and do a Canvas quiz to watch, and it's like 10 questions for your homework. Some of it's over integers, some of it isn't. All right? Have a great day, Rams.